Welcome to Speatale. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative wisdom of the Success Principles by Jack Canfield, a powerful guide that shows you how to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Whether you're looking to boost your career, improve your relationships, or just create a life filled with purpose and passion, this book has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to uncover the secrets to lasting success and bring your biggest dreams to life, stay tuned as we explore the key principles and actionable steps that can make it happen. Let's start this journey to success together. Introduction to the Success Principles. The Success Principles by Jack Canfield is more than just a self-help book. It's a complete guide that offers a roadmap for anyone aiming to achieve personal and professional success. Known for co-creating the Chicken Soup for the Soul series, Canfield brings decades of insight, research, and personal experience into this book, which combines wisdom from psychology, business, and motivational philosophy. The book lays out 67 principles, each designed to help individuals progress from their current situation to their desired goals. These principles cover essential aspects of personal growth, such as taking responsibility, setting goals, building confidence, surrounding oneself with positive influences, and much more. Let's dive deep into the core principles that will help you transform your mindset and take actionable steps toward success. Principle 1. Take 100% responsibility for your life. The first principle is foundational, taking 100% responsibility for your life. Canfield asserts that true success begins when we stop blaming others or external circumstances for our outcomes and instead take full ownership of our actions, attitudes, and choices. This principle urges us to adopt a proactive mindset, recognizing that while we can't control every situation, we can control our response to it. By accepting full responsibility, we empower ourselves to shape our future rather than becoming passive victims of circumstance. This shift from a victim mentality to a responsibility mindset allows us to take charge of our lives and opens the door to growth and self-improvement. Principle 2. Define clear goals. Setting clear, specific goals is vital in moving from where we are to where we want to be. Canfield emphasizes that without defined goals, our efforts lack direction. He encourages readers to be as specific as possible in their goal-setting process. Instead of vague goals like, "I want to be successful," Canfield suggests concrete goals, such as, "I want to earn $10,000 a month within the next year." By defining clear, measurable goals and writing them down, we create a tangible target that can guide our daily actions. Canfield also highlights the power of visualization and affirmations in reinforcing these goals, helping us keep them at the forefront of our minds and motivating us to work consistently toward achieving them. Principle 3. Believe in yourself. Self-belief is the cornerstone of success. Canfield explains that without a strong belief in our own abilities, we won't have the courage to take the necessary steps toward our goals. He stresses that many people are held back by limiting beliefs, those subconscious ideas that make us doubt our potential. To overcome these doubts, Canfield suggests using positive affirmations, visualization techniques, and reframing negative self-talk. Building self-belief means consistently reinforcing a positive self-image, which boosts our confidence and resilience. By challenging and reshaping our limiting beliefs, we become more empowered to tackle obstacles and pursue our dreams with conviction. Principle 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we spend time with have a profound impact on our mindset and success. Canfield advises surrounding ourselves with positive, goal-oriented people who uplift and encourage us. He points out that being around negative or unsupportive individuals can drain our motivation and make it harder to pursue our goals. Canfield also encourages finding mentors, people who have already achieved what we aspire to. A good mentor provides guidance, helps us avoid common pitfalls, and serves as a source of inspiration. By intentionally surrounding ourselves with people who support our dreams and share similar values, we create an environment that fosters growth and keeps us on track. Principle 5. Take action and embrace failure. While ideas and goals are essential, they're meaningless without action. Canfield asserts that success requires taking consistent, purposeful action toward our goals. He encourages starting small if necessary and gradually building up. Often, people hesitate to act due to a fear of failure, but Canfield argues that failure is a necessary part of the journey. Each failure teaches valuable lessons and helps us refine our approach. He advises viewing setbacks as learning experiences rather than letting them derail our progress. By embracing failure as a stepping stone to success, we develop resilience and become more adaptable, ultimately increasing our chances of achieving our goals. Principle 6. Commit to constant and never-ending improvement. In the Success Principles, Canfield introduces the Japanese concept of kaizen, or continuous improvement. He encourages readers to commit to lifelong learning and personal development. Success isn't something that happens overnight, it's the result of consistent effort over time. Canfield suggests setting aside time for activities that promote self-improvement, such as reading, taking courses, or developing new skills. Regularly assessing our performance and identifying areas for growth keeps us evolving and opens doors to new opportunities. This commitment to improvement makes us more competitive and adaptable, ensuring that we stay aligned with our goals even as challenges arise. Principle 7. Practice gratitude and positivity. Gratitude is a powerful tool for maintaining a positive outlook. Canfield emphasizes that appreciating what we have creates a mindset that attracts more positivity into our lives. He suggests keeping a gratitude journal and writing down things we're thankful for each day. This simple practice shifts our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering a positive mindset that supports our journey. Canfield also advises readers to surround themselves with positive influences, including uplifting books, inspiring quotes, and encouraging people. This environment of gratitude and positivity not only boosts our morale but also makes us more resilient in the face of adversity. Principle 8. Clarify your purpose and passion. Canfield believes that success is deeply rooted in understanding one's purpose. When we're clear about our purpose, we're more motivated and resilient. Canfield suggests reflecting on what brings us joy and fulfillment, as these passions often reveal our true purpose. By aligning our actions with our purpose, we create a life that's meaningful and fulfilling. Having a clear purpose also makes it easier to make decisions, as we're guided by a sense of direction. Canfield encourages readers to ask questions like, "What am I passionate about?" or "What impact do I want to make in the world?" Finding the answers to these questions helps us create a life that feels purposeful and rewarding. Principle 9. Be willing to take risks. Success often requires stepping out of our comfort zones. Canfield explains that taking risks is essential to growth. Many people let fear hold them back from opportunities that could lead to significant progress. Canfield encourages embracing calculated risks, as they lead to new experiences, skills, and connections. Taking risks doesn't mean acting recklessly, but rather pushing ourselves to try new things and embrace challenges. Canfield also recommends focusing on the potential rewards of taking risks rather than the fear of failure. By cultivating a mindset that's open to taking risks, we increase our resilience and set ourselves on a path of growth and discovery. Principle 10. Focus on contribution and giving back. Finally, Canfield explains that true fulfillment comes from making a positive impact on others. Success is not only about personal achievements but also about the contributions we make to our communities. Canfield encourages readers to give back, whether through volunteering, mentoring, or acts of kindness. By focusing on how we can serve others, we create a sense of purpose and build lasting connections. Contributing to others enriches our lives and helps us maintain a balanced perspective. This principle reminds us that our success can inspire and uplift others, creating a ripple effect that extends beyond ourselves. Conclusion. In the Success Principles, Jack Canfield provides a practical and inspiring roadmap for anyone seeking to transform their lives. By taking responsibility, setting clear goals, building self-belief, and taking consistent action, we can unlock our potential and achieve meaningful success. Each principle builds on the last, creating a holistic approach to growth that's both empowering and achievable. By implementing these principles, we cultivate a mindset that embraces growth, resilience, and a commitment to giving back, setting us on a path toward a life that's not only successful but also fulfilling. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the success principles and found these insights valuable, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to growth, learning, and achieving their dreams. Plus, you won't miss out on our upcoming videos that dive into more powerful books and life-changing ideas to help you reach your full potential. Go ahead, hit subscribe, and let's continue this journey together toward a more fulfilled and successful life.